We're already in the first week of March, so it's time for me to do another monthly update video. I'll talk about what we've got coming up in March and what you might have missed in the month of February. So I always like to begin by highlighting three big things from my viewers, fans, subscribers. Here they are. Big thing number one, here in Milwaukee, we have established a local chapter of Sophia, that is the Society of Philosophers in America. I'll talk more about that in the March portion of this. Big thing number two, closely related, we will be having our first Sophia sponsored event here in Milwaukee on the 17th. Where do justice and kindness meet? We'll have a public discussion followed by a more intensive discussion focused on Cicero's on duties. Big thing number three, not related to those two, but happening the day after that event, I will be participating in a Stoicism and Creativity roundtable event with my friend and collaborator, Scott Terulli of Berklee School of Music, and it'll be hosted by Scott Perry, the Stoic Creative. So that's what we've got coming up. A lot of other stuff as well that we'll talk about in just a minute. All right, before we get into what's coming up in March, let's talk about what went on in February. Wasn't that productive a month for me, in part because it's shorter than all the other months. I also was continuing some pretty, for me, intensive working out, which is, paying dividends, but also taking quite a bit of time on my part. And Andy and I both got sick at certain points, which cut into some of my getting stuff done energies, particularly towards the end of the day on quite a few evenings. So I did give a number of talks and hosted some events. One that people may be particularly interested in, the Philosophers in the Midst of History. We continued our third year of that, and we had a session on Cicero, Greek philosophy, and the fall of the Roman Republic. I also continued our Worlds of Speculative Fiction series. This time we talked about Fritz Leiber and the Fafhrd and the Grey Mouser series. That was a lot of fun. We did philosophy pop-ups on the topic of Stoicism, romantic love, and relationships. I held an AMA, that is Ask Me Anything session, did an online philosophy chat with my Patreon supporters, and hosted my monthly half-hour Haegele QA and discussion sessions online as well. You might have also seen some podcast episodes come out where I came on as a guest. Three of them actually came out this month, one with Zero Books podcast, another with the Death Hangout guys, and the third one with the Practical Stoic. I also published quite a bit in blogs, both in Erexis Dianoetike, my main blog, a little bit of stuff in Half Hour Hegel, and I published a piece in Stoicism Today specifically on Stoicism, erotic love, and relationships, since it's Valentine's Day in February, and that's got a lot of discussion. Engaged in a bit of other writing projects as well. I'm still working, plugging away at that Stoicism and In Accordance with Nature book. Don't know if that'll be done by the end of the year, but sooner than later, hopefully. And I'm working on taking the videos that I did on Epictetus, doing a very close reading commentary on the Enchiridion, and turning those into a book as well, taking what I said in the videos and going through and cleaning it up a little bit. Also, did a bit more work on the Aristotle Categories course. It's not yet ready to air, but hopefully will be coming out this coming month. And I engaged in a lot of tutorial work, philosophical counseling and coaching, and quite a bit of consulting and content production as well for clients. If you're interested in those things, by the way, you can always check out the Reason.io website or just email me directly at greg@reasonio.com. What else did we do in February? Well, I shot some videos, and I did create a new set of videos, which took a bit of time away from doing some of the other video stuff. And these were these short Q&A videos, the first 4 of which were all on Stoicism. I'll probably stick with Stoicism topics for a bit more, although there's plenty of other interesting topics to address as well. Got some more Cicero core concept videos shot and uploaded. Did videos, of course, of the events, which you can see linked to below. And I only got 5 half-hour Haegele videos done this last month, unfortunately. I was shooting for 6, which is my quota, but it didn't quite make it. So I blame it on the short month. Anyway, that's February. All right, so what's coming up in March? March, fortunately, is a much longer month, 31 days, but we're already 5 days in, so I've got a lot of stuff to crank out. I already held one of the events for the month, one of the philosophy pop-ups. You can see the video for that linked to below. The topics for the pop-ups this month are justice and kindness and the interconnection between them, in part piggybacking off of the event later this month. But before we get to that, on March 6th, 5 p.m. Central Time, we'll be having our public half-hour Haegele Q&A and discussion session. You don't have to be a Patreon supporter to participate in that. You don't actually have to know very much about Haegele. If you just want to show up and ask questions or listen to the other participants chat, that's perfectly fine. We do give priority to Haegele-related questions, but we often talk about a lot of other stuff. On March 8th, here locally at the Brookfield Public Library, we continue at 7 p.m., we continue our Worlds of Speculative Fiction series, this time focusing on certain novels by Robert Heinlein, in particular Starship Troopers, The Moon is a Harsh Mistress, Methuselah's Children, and a few other. The guy wrote so much, so I'm sure other stuff is going to come up as well. On the 10th at 2 p.m., I'll be having my philosophy chat, which is a perk for some of my Patreon supporters. If you'd like to become a Patreon supporter, you can see the link below. You can also see it in the cards up in the corner of the video. That's something, it's sort of an open-ended discussion that I do for them where they get to ask me about anything that they want to. And then on the 17th, St. Patrick's Day, at 1:30, running to about 4 o'clock. So, if you're here in the Milwaukee area and you want to do something before getting, festive for St. Patty's, we're having our first public Sophia event. Sophia is the Society of Philosophers in America. It's devoted to doing public philosophy, taking philosophy out of the academy and bringing it into the marketplace, into businesses, into public discussions, the sort of thing that I'm really a big fan of. We will be looking at the question of where do justice and kindness meet, and we'll start with a community discussion. And then in the second hour of it, after taking a short break, I will be leading a more intensive discussion of Cicero's On Duties and his discussions of how justice and kindness map onto each other there and the connections to the other virtues. So if you're here in the area, or if you're in the Chicago area, Madison area, Fox cities, come on down. We're happy to have you here. And if you want, you can become a member of Sophia at the event. On the 18th, day after that, 2 p.m. Central Time, 3 p.m. Eastern, I will be a participant in that Stoicism and Creativity Roundtable. I think many of you may already know Scott Cerulli, from the conversation that I had with him. Scott is a good friend of mine, somebody who's equally interested in metal, pedagogy, Aristotle, Stoicism, and we're going to have a great discussion. He's also an amazing guitar player as well, which is something that we don't share in common. I'm an amateur banjo and bass player. But that's going to be hosted by Scott Perry, so that should be a really fun discussion. On the 24th, 12 p.m., I'll be hosting my Ask Me Anything session. Everybody can just show up and ask me about anything that you like. Can't guarantee that I'll actually get it in, since so many people ask me questions, but if you show up early, you'll probably get your question there right away. And then we finish up the month on the 29th at 6 p.m. here locally at the Shorewood Public Library with the MKE, that is Milwaukee Stoic Fellowship. So, that's another great organization. They, by the way, are co-sponsoring the Sophia event because it is connected to Stoicism. So we've got some nice coming together there. Got a lot of great stuff happening here in the Milwaukee area. Those of you who are local, you should show up. And if you do, introduce yourself to me if you're a viewer. And we'll chat afterwards. What else is coming up in March? There may or may not be some podcast things coming up. We'll have to see. Depends on when they're releasing some stuff. I do have some recorded material out there waiting for people to release, and I might be doing some additional stuff as well. Be hitting the writing projects pretty heavily this month. I've got a lot of stuff, not just the book projects, but other, blog writing to do, and hopefully getting to some academic articles that I've wanted to work on for quite some time. I'm also going to be working on the online classes in the Reason.io Academy. Trying to get that material finished and get those classes open and released for people to sign up for them. If you want to see what we've got available right now, we do have some excellent classes already available. You can check that out by looking at the link below. Last thing I'll talk about is videos. What am I going to be doing this month? Well, I want to do some more of those Q&A things, but I don't want them to not have me do book reviews because I do still have all those books stacked up that I want to get done. And I do have a few things that I think I may want to get on Sadler's soapbox about. Those of you who know about that rant series. There's quite a few things going on in the news that I think merit some attention. Core concept videos, I think I'll finish up with Cicero's On Duties and then start in on some Heidegger, maybe do some stuff on the introduction to Being and Time that I had promised to do a while back. And we'll have the event videos, of course, and then the 6 half-hour Haegele videos, and that will take me through to the end of the month. The last thing that I'll mention is, we're still looking to fill up the calendar for later this year for speaking engagements or, other sorts of on-site gigs. If you're interested in having me come and speak for your organization, institution, group, send me an email at greg@reason.io and we'll start talking about it. Likewise, if you're interested in workshops or consulting, if you need somebody to help you understand particular philosophical topics, you might want to check out my tutorial services. If you want some help applying philosophy to work through life issues, then you might want to check out my philosophical consulting. So glad March is a long month because there's a ton of stuff to get done during March, and hope all of you have a great month.